everyone, ladies and gentlemen, good day. Welcome to today's Taiwan Smart Medical Webinar and Biz Meeting for Government Procurement. This is Winnie from TAITRA, the EMC of this event. This webinar is jointly presented by TAITRA, Taiwan's foremost trade promotion organization and a barrel of foreign trade, an administrative agency of Taiwan's trade policies and trade relations. Firstly, I would like to invite Mr. Junze Wu, Director of the Strategy Marketing Department of TAITRA, to give us his opening remarks. Let's welcome Director Wu.
Distinguished guests, representatives from the U.S., ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Taiwan External Trade Development Council, I would like to extend my sincere welcome to you all. We are delighted to introduce to you Taiwan's Smart Medical Webinar and Business Meeting for Government Procurement. According to the report, the global smart medical market size is valued at $14.7 billion in 2021, and US remains the largest medical market in the world. For years, Taiwan has proven itself as one of the best healthcare providers in the world and has developed many smart medical solutions for hospitals. It is our honor to present Taiwan's smart medical solutions from leading companies in this webinar, including optical coherence tomography, mobile nursing station, smart syringing solution, and so on. Moreover, TAITRA is willing to schedule online trade meetings for you with these solution providers after today's webinar. Lastly, I hope our valuable guests will take advantage of this opportunity to understand further on Taiwan's smart medical solutions that will be beneficial to you and your organization. Thank you all for joining us today, and stay safe.
Thank you very much, Director Wu, for your kind words. Next, we're moving on to the presentations. We are pleased to welcome our first speaker, Mr. Johnson Zhang, from Managing Integrated Solution. He will be introducing their well-known ophthalmology devices, wound care solution, and micro cameras module. Johnson, the floor is yours.
Hi, I'm Johnson. Welcome to visit our company today. We are Managing Integrated Solutions. Most of our friends call us MINS, M-I-I-S. It's much more easy to remember and to pronounce. Okay, for today's topic, I would like to introduce you our company, what we did for past 11 years, and what we're going to do in the future. So we are mainly focusing on development the medical device. So we have OEM business, we have ODM business, we have our own brand business. So let's go. Hi, let me introduce our first medical device. It's a handheld fundus camera. This is our third generation model. And for the past 11 years, we are not only focusing on the hardware design, we also focusing on the software design. So with our handheld fundus camera, we design an AI computer. It contains with diabetic retinopathy AI software. What we do is after we using our handheld device to take the image, then we will send the image to the AI box for the analyzing. So the result can be shown on the screen of our fundus camera. Then the physicians and the patient will know what's going on with their eye fundus. Okay, I'm going to introduce our OCT device. We developed our OCT. It's a combo OCT. It comes with the OCT and the fundus camera, and 2-in-1. We come out with a probe because it's a prototype one, so you can handheld this probe to do an OCT scan or even a fundus image taking. And we come with a main box and also the chin rest with motor modules. And here is some applications that give you more idea for what portable can do or this hub can do. So with also handicapped patients or the patient just having surgery, that when they lie on the bed, then you can use our portable OCT to do eye screening. And with the 3-axis motor chin rest, it can help in the technicians to using our OCT very easily because you have auto track the pupil and to do the scanning. And even with our software, we can get the patient to do a selfie. For example, let's see the case study. This is a crystal macular edema. From this image, you will see there's looks like normal on the retina, but once you use the OCT to do a eye scan, so you will see there is a symptom come out that you know there is edema for these patients. Okay, then I come to the introduction from our micro camera module and the endoscope. We using our technology to build up the world's most optical module for different applications, from medical endoscope to the automotive. So you will see there are so many different uses that can use our micro camera modules. We're using semiconductor process to package the camera sensor and with the light source become a micro camera module. And this, as you say, is many different applications. Mainly we are focusing on the disposable endoscope. So because we are a developer, so the flexible design for different customer requirement is our advantage. And with the automatically production line, we're going to have low cost and high quantity, and with the stable quality of the components is another big advantage for our production line. So we are not only build up the micro camera module, we also have the ISP board is for a total solution for our customer. And this is the roadmap for our micro camera modules from MCCA is basically for the endoscope with non-working channel. And you see the MCCM is basically for the endoscope with the working channel one. And for the disposable one, it has different products. From the ENT endoscope to the urology endoscope, those are the main major that we are looking for the partners to work with. Let's come to the smart wound carrier. This is our first wound care device. It comes with 3 different cameras, with 3D camera, with color camera, with thermal camera. Each camera has different function and different usage. Okay, for example, the 3D camera, we can measure the dimension of the wound and also the depth of the wound. So that gives you a very big help on the technicians or the nursing or the doctors, because they don't need to use a ruler to measure the size, just using the device. One click of the pictures and you will have the numbers, data on the device. Then the color camera give you color pictures. With the color pictures, we can, through the AI, and to do the different tissues analyzing what the percentage of the tissues. And for the thermal camera, we give you a different temperature for the normal skin or the wood parts. Then you can know the difference between the normal and abnormal tissues. So here is give you an idea for what we do for our UI design. And because we also accept the OEM design, so if you have any idea to want to build up with your own software, then we can also help you for this MPD device. And as you see, we are not only design the hardware, but we design the diagnostic app is for the Android system. And not only this device, we also have a EMR cloud system. And with this cloud-based system, we collect all the data, all the pictures. Then you can track the recovering record. So the doctors or the nursing will know what's going on with this whole procedures. And with AI server, given idea to helping to know this dimension of the wood. Okay, so come up with the different business model we are all will come with. So if you have interest in our products or technologies, we are welcome you to contact us at sales@means.com.tw. Hi, it's come to the end of today's presentation. I think you already have a brief idea for our device and the OCT, the micro camera module for the disposable endoscope, and even the wound care platform. So if you are interested in our device or our technology, welcome to contact us at sales@means.com.tw. So thank you for listening today and have a great day. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Johnson. Before we move on, I would like to remind you that you may submit your questions on the YouTube chat box. We will collect your questions and have our presenters to answer your questions afterwards. Next, we'll have Mr. Gustavo Gao from Apex Medical Corp to share with us the Smart Pressure Mattress Solution and CPAP, APAP solutions for sleep apnea. Mr. Gustavo, the floor is yours.
Hello everyone, I'm Gustavo. As shown in the previous video, our company has more than 30 years of experience in design, development, and production of support surfaces. We have been working closely with caregivers to provide patients with better living quality. This is what we always strive for since 1990. Our mission is to deliver medical solutions suitable for specific needs while supporting healthcare professionals around the world. Our two major product lines include products that can reduce pressure injuries and products that can help treating sleep apnea. Our R&D team is detail-oriented. Each test sample is handmade. Fabric is chosen by its characteristic, tailored to meet the specific need. Every detail in production will be checked thoroughly, and the finished sample is repeatedly tested before we deliver the final products to you. Our professional clinical research team analyzes 3D facial contour, checks every detail, works hard for simply one reason, that all patients can have the best quality of their life. Putting ourselves in our customer's position, our products are designed to fit their needs perfectly. This is the reason why we won so many awards. Most importantly, this is also we win the hearts of patients and caregivers. We not only build our own clean room to guarantee quality, but also put a lot of effort to understand how our staff and customers feel. We believe all discoveries come from the need of people. Understanding is the first step to creativity. This is the motivation for our patent development. Like all great inventions, the award-winning product, Wizard 510, is also designed to solve the problems which sleep apnea patients were suffered for a long time. Normally, people won't immediately go to bed after they put on their CPAP mask. It is common for people that they might have the need to use cell phone or read a book before falling into sleep. Therefore, in 5 series, we implemented wide visibility design, eliminating the need of forehead pad to provide patients broader vision. This not only provides an unobstructed view before sleep, but also makes them feel a lot less claustrophobic during sleep. A brand new air diversion technology also provides smooth breathing experience via decreasing the residual carbon dioxide in Wizard 5 series mask. It is clinically proven that it comes with efficient sleep apnea prevention. SoCal Respiratory Care would also agree that wearing Wizard 5 series mask allow their patients to breathe more comfortably. The primary products lines are all customer-centric. We continue to upgrade our products to fit the needs of caregivers and patients. To know more about our products, please scan this QR code and contact us. We are looking forward to hearing from you soon.
Thank you, Gustavo, for your sharing. If you have any further questions, don't forget to leave your question in the chat box, and we'll answer them after all presentations are given. And now, we're going to invite IEI Integration Group, a provider of AIoT solutions. They provide ICT hardware, factory automation, and medical instruments. Today, Ms. Jenny Liu from IEI is going to give us a brief introduction of their mobile nursing station and other smart medical solutions. Jenny, please.
Hi everyone, I'm Jenny Liu. I'm glad to share IEI's healthcare focus and product strategy with you today. IEI Group is professionalized in medical IT business, and we manufacture medical-grade computer to fulfill 2 important segments. The first segment is medical information. IEI's medical all-in-one panel PC play the role as information gateway to access and deliver the data such as vital sign measurements, patient info, and treatment records. The second segment is medical imaging and analytics, which is becoming an essential part of healthcare digitalization. We provide all-in-one panel PC and box PC, which can be able to view and analyze better medical images. In order to enhance the digitalization process in healthcare field to make it more intelligent, we offer various medical-grade power devices and state-of-the-art software applications as a big advantage for you. Is this all what we have? Let me share more with you. We are going to launch a new fanless all-in-one PC with small display size 10 inches, and it is called EASO. It suits very well to be hanged on the wall in patient room as bedside terminal. It will be featured with PoE power and IP65 waterproof at front panel to against damages caused by daily cleaning in hospitals. This is a reliable medical panel PC which fit quite well in different scenarios. It can be used to identify patients, collect vital sign data, and to synchronize with hospital information system or electronic medical record to update data into database. And remote users can query for their personal health information through a telecare app that has secure, authenticated connection to the hospital. EASO can act as a self-access system to read identification data while the patient is entering a hospital ward. It can collect vital sign data from patient monitor systems such as blood pressure monitor, oximeter, or a hemodialysis system. The data will be updated and stored in a HEAS or EMR server. POC-M is our hot cell product, which is dedicated for mobile nursing station. It can be equipped 3 hot-swappable batteries. User can remotely manage the battery status without extra workloads. Even the battery charger can be stackable. All the improvements on using POC-M can save time and budget. We offer 22 and 24 inches display, up to 16 hours operation time with 3 batteries. The way of easy to manage the battery truly brings more benefit for you to consider our medical all-in-one panel PC. Our annual sales of POC-M is over 1,000 pieces. You can see different scenarios from worldwide customers and to know how they use POC-M as the best hardware for their body temperature monitoring solutions, especially during pandemic time. Besides, we also have real cases of using POC-M in ICU for infants, hemodialysis, mobile nursing station, and vaccination centers. Nowadays, IT security is becoming important for healthcare centers and hospitals. To avoid hospital-acquired infection problem caused by direct contact, we offer an on-premise remote monitoring solution this year. It's called IEI Central Brand System, which will be deployed on box PC as a host, connecting to intranet in the hospital. IEI Central Brand System can remotely manage more than 100 devices at the same time. With its dynamic user interface, it brings 3R as valuable advantages for you. What is 3R? IEI Central Brand System can remotely manage more than 100 devices, reboot the devices by OTA technology, and reset the devices in very short time. With the help of IEI Central Brand System, IT personnel's tasks on repairing and identifying problems has been changed from on-site visit to remote management. Therefore, time spent on traveling and issue identification is greatly reduced. Most important is, less contact suggests less risk for infection, and the whole solution is locally deployed without worrying cybersecurity problem for hospitals. IEI provides global services and we have branches in different countries. We are looking forward to work with you together. If you have inquiry or you need more product information, please visit our website or write us email. Thank you for your listening today. See you next time.
Thank you, Jenny, for your informative presentation. If you have any question for Jenny, don't forget to leave your question in the chat box. And now, we're going to invite Jubal Health, and I'm pleased to invite their founder and CEO, Mr. Jesse Kang, to give us an opening remark, and Ms. Jen Chen to talk more about their family line solution using in care facilities. Jesse and Jen, please.
This is Jesse Kang, founder and CEO of Jubo, also known as Smart Aging Tech. Jubo is Taiwan's #1 smart technology solution provider for long-term care industry.
Jubo envisions a future for better and connected care. We focus on the enhancement of person-centered care, technology, and trust triangle among elders, care professionals, and families. We are dedicated to continuous innovation in IoT, data science, and artificial intelligence. We currently have established fundamental partnership with clinical research institutions and leading technology companies. Jubo is an international team initiated by graduates from Stanford, MIT, and National Taiwan University. As of now, the company has been backed by the publicly listed companies and government in Taiwan. Headquartered in Taipei, Jubo is not only serving Taiwan clients, but also expanding to international markets such as Japan, Southeast Asia, and North America. Nowadays, Jubo has been serving more than 250 long-term care facilities, 9,000 care professionals and families, and aggregated over 50 million resident and care records. Jubo provides not only the software platform to nurses, but also integrates the hardware technologies to automate the care process. The biggest problem we are seeing in the care industry is not only wasting too much time on paperwork, but also the efforts in communication. 60% of a caregiver's time is spent on indirect care to handle repetitive works. Only 40% of their time focused on actual professional care. Jubo provides solutions to seamlessly connect the vital sign measurements from bedside, mobile nursing information system, and the chatbots for the communication between caregivers and families. Furthermore, the real-time alerts and the data-driven management tools greatly boost the working efficiency in long-term care. Overall, Jubo serves its solution to different care services, from residential care facilities such as skilled nursing homes, adult day care centers, to home care agencies. We're currently piloting a telecare solution for a better care process done remotely. Next, let's highlight our products currently available in North America.
My name is Peter Urban, and I'm the Chief Operating Officer for Jubo Health Technologies in North America. As part of our inaugural product line in North America, our patent-pending Jubo Trolley is a practical, versatile, and very effective solution, equally for caretakers, nursing staff, and the residents. For caretakers, it optimizes the process of vital sign measurement and management, as well as providing other services to residents throughout the facility on a daily basis. For nurses and medical staff, Jubo Trolley helps to have all the information, medical devices, and supplies at their fingertips as they're going from patient to patient. And for residents, our trolley is an ideal companion by providing entertainment and easy access to video and voice conferencing with their families. Jubo Trolley is designed to be compatible with a maximum number of smart mobile devices. It is built from strong, easy to sanitize materials, and it can hold up to 10 times more load than competing solutions. Finally, Jubo Trolley can be easily disassembled, and therefore can be stored at 50% of its competitors' packaging size. In addition to the trolley, we are bringing Jubo VitalLink to North America as a turnkey vital sign measurement and management solution. In essence, it is a mobile, tablet-based IoT platform which automates the vital sign measurement process, aggregates and monitors health data, and makes it available to authorized systems via the Jubo VitalLink cloud. while gaining up to 30% of efficiencies in care staff's daily activities related to vital signs. It also enhances the quality and accuracy of the health monitoring process with the help of built-in real-time abnormality alerts. In terms of quality, performance, and return on your investment, VitalLink is a no-brainer. Even more so in combination with Jubo Trolley. Together, they build an unbeatable support team for your care and nursing staff, and a reliable connection for your resident.
Jubo's solution provides multiple benefits. The solutions help increase productivity and retention rate of the staff, offer smooth and wide range of tech integration from software to hardware, and also support multilingual interfaces to minimize the efforts of international care aides. Jubo has received several national awards in recognition of its innovative business model and smart solution in the over past 2 years. There are also over 20 patents obtained internationally. Meanwhile, Jubo complies with the industrial standards by ISO 27001 and technical requirements of HIPAA and PAPIDA. If you are interested in Jubo's solution for long-term care facilities, adult day care centers, or home care agencies, please contact us. We look forward to connecting you with the most advanced technologies from Taiwan. Thank you.
Last, I would like to introduce Flat Medical to talk more about their smart EpiFaith sandwich solution. Flat Medical has already got DAPA application. Moreover, their VA supplier application is positively ongoing. Let's welcome Mr. Joseph Law from Flat Medical to provide theirs more. Joseph, please.
Hi, I'm Joseph from Flat Medical. We provide safety solution for those risky medical procedures. For example, blind puncture. In most scenarios, blind puncture rely on the hand feedback without visual confirmation to locate the needle. So it is hard, it is risky, and the failure rate is high. One of the examples is epidural anesthesia. So let us see the challenge of current epidural procedure and how we solve the problem through the innovation on medical device. Epidural anesthesia and analgesia are very common in daily hospital. The major application including painless labor, surgery anesthesia, and chronic pain control. The use of epidural anesthesia in the United States is more than 12 million shots per year. However, epidural space is a very thin region in front of the spinal cord. The thickness is only 3 mm. The physician must accurately locate the needle in a thin space or the needle will puncture the dural membrane, leading to serious headache, permanent nerve injury, or even paralysis. But because the target region is deep, obscured, and behind the spinal process, the last few centimeters of needle localization cannot be confirmed by the ultrasound guiding. The physician can only rely on their own hand feedback. The result is that current failure rate of epidural injection is from 2 to 5%, resulting in more than 280 million of directly extra cost in the United States every year. That is not acceptable, and we are always thinking how to provide a clear and objective indicating signal to avoid dural puncture, while not too large change the current clinical scenario. The answer is EpiFaith auto-locating syringe. EpiFaith is a visualized indicating syringe that can detect the pressure change. When the needle tip enters the epidural space, the pressure drop, called loss of resistance, will trigger the indicating mechanism. The piston will automatically move forward and warn the physician to stop needle advancing to avoid accidental dural puncture. Like this is the normal stage, and when the needle arrives at epidural space, you will see the automatically movement of the piston. The device is not just innovative, it respects to tradition and users' habits. The operating process of this disposable indicating device is almost the same with current practice and is fitted to mainstream accessory. Therefore, it's 100% compatible to current practice. Let me use a video to show the operating of EpiFaith. The first step is inserting the needle. after the needle has been inserted to appropriate depths. The physician will attach an epiphase syringe and push the plunger to cover the yellow part. Then, advance the needle with 2 hands. The rapid movement of the piston warns the physician to stop needle advancing, eliminating the risk of accidental dural puncture.
Epiphase is FDA cleared and CE marked. It can only be used by trained physicians in appropriate environment. Please find the local distributor for more information of this product. With our patented sensing mechanism, the epiphase will not be limited in epidural procedures. The product line is aimed to whole market of blind puncture, for example, central venous catheterization and thoracentesis. Epiphase for epidural is just the start. The next product, Epiphase CV, will be launched in early 2022. With their objective indicating signal and physician at the center design, we believe Epiphase will become the new golden standard of blind puncture and provide safe and affordable care for everyone.
The webinar has now come to an end. Thank you all for your participation. We hope this event has helped providing you a better understanding of the new trend and innovations developing in Taiwan. If you have any further questions, please feel free to fill out the sheet by using the link in our channel's profile details. In the next few weeks, we are going to hold more online conferences like this, and you are more than welcome to join with us again. Don't forget to stay home and stay safe. Have a wonderful day and see you soon!